you a photographer who's struggling to grow your business? You're not alone. In fact, many photographers find themselves stuck in the same place, unable to take their business to the next level. But why is this happening? In this video, we're gonna go over the reason why most photographers just can't seem to grow their businesses, and more importantly, what you can do to overcome that. What's good, y'all? It's J-Rod. Welcome back to the channel. I made this channel to give you guys some amazing photography tips, so always make sure to check out the newest video and what we got in store. Today, we're gonna be talking about why most photography businesses fail. Reason 1, lack of a clear niche. One of the biggest reasons most photographers can't seem to grow their businesses is they haven't developed a proper niche yet. They try to do way too many things, and being able to do many different things isn't a bad thing, but it can be for potential people who want to book you. If you try to do too many things and you're really not the master of none, you can really dilute your brand and your image. You just make yourself much less attractive to potential clients. It is super important to find a niche that you're passionate about, that you love, that you can shoot all day. Having a niche will really develop your brand extremely. That way you can establish yourself as an expert in your specific field and can bring clients your way. So before you make the major money, you need to develop a niche first. Reason number 2, poor marketing. As a guy who went to school for marketing, I know a little thing or two. And another reason people struggle to grow their businesses is they just aren't looking too much into marketing. You honestly may just not be reaching the right audience, or just not marketing yourself to the right audience that wants your services. It's fine if Johnny Lou wants portrait pictures, but if you do landscape, it doesn't matter. Make sure you market yourself to the right people for the right stuff. Effective marketing means targeting the right audience and getting your specific message in front of them. But that also means being creative and standing out from the competition, who are also, because you have other photographers who are trying to do the same thing as you. You should really take the time to look into different marketing strategies to help you out as a photographer. And then you want to choose the one that helps you for your specific business the most. If you guys want a video on that, just let me know. I'll make a video. Yes, I mean social media, so like Instagram, Google, anything really that you can put your stuff on to show people that you do great work. So definitely marketing should be at the top of your list. Reason 3, you're not networking. The third reason as to why photographers can't grow their business is they're not networking. They may not be reaching out to other industry professionals and other people in your field. And this can provide a number of different benefits, whether that's you figuring out your pricing, what you should be telling people, you should be figuring out how to make proper policies, how to make proper contracts, etc. Also, not reaching out to other photographers limits sometimes how much you can really grow because you're not experimenting with a lot of different ideas commonly. You never want to limit your opportunities. Networking is key to growing your business. And for me, when I started networking, it really developed my business 10 times. You should attend photography events. You should go to meetings. You should reach out to people in their social media DMs. Connect with other photographers and other professionals in your field, but also to your clients. Your clients should be also getting that work. So reaching out to people that you know may benefit you with business down the line. And not only just doing it for that, but for being a genuine human being. Somebody told me once, and this really changed my perspective on photography, you have to have at least 70% of it be your business and 30% of it be your work. Meaning there's a lot of bad photographers who are out here getting a lot of money and getting a lot of opportunities, not because they're really better than you, but because they just do those 3 steps just in a better way. Those steps being their niche, networking, and just their marketing. But these are just a few reasons as to why photographers cannot grow their photography business. I just wanted to come to you guys today to just give you some extra tips on that, just some extra information to lead you guys to the right direction. By understanding these reasons and doing better research and looking into it and overcoming these things, you're gonna be such a better and more complete photography company. And focusing on those 3 small things will take your business to the next level. Believe me. So thanks for watching. Remember to find your niche, focus on effective marketing, and don't forget to network. With the right approach, you can grow your photography business and reach your goals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. We're gonna be dropping videos every week, sometimes multiple videos every week. So definitely don't miss out on that. Also, check out our upcoming video, how to stand out in the photography market. See you guys later.